Greetings, greetings, greetings. So I'm just going to jump straight in. I hate watching tutorials, and there's a whole bunch of fluff before they get to the actual tutorial. So I'm going to actually skip the introduction and just dive straight in. So I am trying to put together a PDF, and anytime I put together a PDF for my clients or my students, I like them fillable. I want to make sure they're able to complete the activities straight from their computer or on the go. And so I wanted to make sure that this particular workbook was just as interactive and just as accessible to them. Now, what I was actually working on was a calendar that they can type into. And it needed to be not just one calendar, but 12 different pages. And so there's around 30 different text fields, and then again, 12 separate pages. After sitting on the phone for over an hour and 45 minutes with a support specialist who could not help me rectify the issue. They actually was telling me that I was going to have to manually input this. I knew that there was a way because I ran into this issue before. I just couldn't remember what to do. So I want to show you a few things. I'm going to show you 3 of the pages within the field so you can really kind of see what it is that we're working on. This is the end goal, and let me show you exactly what I mean by this. So here is the page with every template filled. And when you type in, what often happens is all the links are empty. Like that's how you want it to be. However, when you just copy and paste, this is what happens. All of the fields are the same. Anytime one of your participants or you will go and fill out this form, if you enter any information into one of the fields, it will have the same information in every single field. We don't want that. We didn't want that for ourselves, and we definitely don't want that for you. So again, our goal is to, how do we make sure that we are creating a form that will allow you to have individualized text boxes? So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I'm just going to show you here. So let me get into the edit film. So we have the box here, and I like a multi-line just so anybody can fill out the details here. And this is the text field. It's kind of out of the frame, but nonetheless, it's the text field in the properties. And so I'll just show you how to get there. So you're going to right click and you can click properties so that you can see all the details. Again, I like mine multi-line. You can change the font. Here you can change the size. There's general information if you want to label this something specifically, something specific, month 1, month 2, month 3, whatever, but I'm not concerned. So I'll keep mine text 36 just so I know that the numbers aren't changing. And then this is actually how you make multiple fields that are individualized. You are going to go down to create multiple copies. And then this will come up, and you can see it kind of already started it for me. And so what I want to make sure to do is to close those spaces as much as I can. And so I look first at the overall size, and then you can't really see, or you can see some spaces. So I want you to see that this is actually a calendar. So that's what that looks like. So let me scroll back out so that you can see what we're doing. Cool. And so then you're going to be able to see. So I set it to 5, and then I know there's also 7 across. I click OK, and voila. Super simple, super straightforward. And let me show you the magic. Ta-da! Every single text field is different. You don't have to worry about the details replicating in each one. And then let me leave that there just so you can see it doesn't overlap into the other fields. It is individualized. And again, this is just a quick way to create a fillable form so that you, your clients, your students can actually engage in a format like this. I hope you enjoy.